All right, guys, let's get right into it. No time to waste. All right, so boom, you are in Jamaica, and two, you want to, of course, buy cryptocurrency because you see everything that is happening around you, and you see all these people posting and sharing their cryptocurrency results, and maybe they're making money from cryptocurrency, and you want piece of the pie, right? So what I'm going to show you is how you can buy cryptocurrency easy from Jamaica in just 5 simple steps. Okay, so to do this, you basically need just two things. All right, you need a wallet, okay, where you are going to store your cryptocurrency, and two, most importantly, you need the marketplace that you're going to buy the cryptocurrency from. Okay, now Switchere is a very good marketplace. The good thing about them is that they allow Jamaicans to buy cryptocurrency. The only thing you need is your credit card or your Visa debit card, you know, and you'll be able to purchase cryptocurrency. But you do have to get verified. All right, but yeah, let me just walk you through the steps. So like I said, step one, you have to register for a Switchere account. You can, I'm sure you guys know how to register an account for something or whatever. Your email, password, blah, blah, blah. And you are going to need your phone for verification as well. All right, so my account is already created, so I'm going to log in and show you what inside their dashboard would look like. Let me just log in right here. All right, so very simple. This is just what their dashboard would look like. This is where you put the amount of cryptocurrency that you plan to buy for the day. The minimum for them, for Switchere, is $10. You can buy $10 worth of cryptocurrency. But it's not every cryptocurrency that you will be able to buy with $10. So, for example, this is Litecoin. Okay, you'll be able to buy $10 worth of Litecoin very easily. But for example, maybe you say that you want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. No, it's not possible. You have to buy more. I think the minimum for this is about 98 or let me see, 90. Yeah, about $90 or something. Okay, so you just have to keep on. Yeah, I think you can buy at least $50 worth of Bitcoin or whatever. So you just have to play with this until you don't get an error. Because like this one, they're saying to me that the minimum amount I can buy is 0.0002 Bitcoin. So you just have to increase the amount until you're able to purchase it. So right now I'm able to buy $20 worth of Bitcoin. All right. And like I said, there are many other cryptocurrencies here that you can choose from. Ethereum is getting very popular, so more people are trying to gravitate towards Ethereum right now. However, it's a little bit expensive. The fee is high to buy Ethereum. It's about $90. Let me see if we can go to 80. No, 89. Yeah. Yesterday when I was checking, it was $93. So yeah, it's down pretty low now. Well, yeah, the limit right now is $86. So the minimum dollar value that you can order, that you can buy for Ethereum is $86. All right. So like I said, this is very simple. You just need to decide how much money you're going to spend. Say you're going to buy $50 worth of a coin, and then you go right here and you just choose the coin. Very, very simple. So for example, I may say that I want to buy Litecoin. Okay, so I'll just select Litecoin right here. All right, now you are going to need a Litecoin wallet address. So remember before I stated that, yes, you can buy crypto, but you need to store it somewhere, right? So you are going to need a Bitcoin wallet. All right. And the wallet I use is very trusted. It's called Exodus. And it's basically a software program that allows you to store your cryptocurrency on your computer. I see many videos of people, storing their cryptocurrency on maybe like Binance. Maybe you know about Binance. I really do not recommend storing your cryptocurrency on an exchange because Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange. People go there to exchange cryptocurrency and they provide you with a wallet as well. But do not store your cryptocurrency on an exchange because exchanges, they are hacked frequently, and it has happened a lot in the past. Many people have lost all their cryptocurrency, all their investments, simply because somebody hacked an exchange and disappeared with all the crypto. No, you don't want that, right? So I have been using Exodus since maybe 2016, and that's where I basically stored all my cryptocurrency. It's very simple. You just go here, you download the mobile application, or even on your computer. It doesn't matter what computer you have. It can be your Windows, your MacBook, whatever you have. Let me show you Exodus that I use. Hold on. Hopefully this can bring it up. I'm going to show you the application on my computer so that you can see exactly how you would use it. Let me just put in my password. Like you can say, it's very secure. Let's see. You log in. Let's give it some time. All right. So once you log into Exodus, you will be able to see your entire portfolio. All right. So if I click here, well, let me just give this time to load. You can see my entire portfolio. Let me just come out of that. So I have, what's this? So slow. All right, let's go. So you can see I have $20 worth of Litecoin. Let me just get a better breakdown. All right, $20 worth of Litecoin. I have $19 worth of GNT. I have $16 worth of Civic. I have $9 worth of Ethereum. I have $7 worth of Funfair. And I have $2 worth of Dash. All right. So this is what the Exodus wallet looks like. And like I said, you can have it on your phone as well. It's very easy to access. All right. So let me get back to my earlier point. So yes, you need a wallet, right? And you need an address for that particular wallet. Now, every cryptocurrency has a different wallet. Bitcoin wallet addresses are different from Litecoin wallet addresses. And they're different from Ethereum wallet addresses. All of them are different. So, for example, let me go back to Switchere. For example, you say you want to buy $50 worth of Litecoin. You're going to need your Litecoin wallet address. Let me show you how to get that. You go back to your Exodus account, you click receive, and you just copy your Litecoin address. It's very simple. Then after you copy it, you go back to the website and you just paste the address. Okay, and you just click buy Litecoin. It takes you to whatever. You see like a breakdown. It says make payment. You go to the option and then they will prompt you to enter your card information. Like I said, guys, it's very simple. So once you enter your card information, whatever, once you purchase, it will be sent to your Exodus wallet, your Litecoin address, in roughly 5 to 30 minutes. So don't freak out if after you make the purchase, it's just spinning and spinning and spinning. You just leave the page, let it do its thing, and then you can just wait. This will be updated immediately as the transfer and the purchase is complete. Okay, and you'll be able to see the full breakdown of your portfolio right here on this screen. So everything will be updated. All right. So buying cryptocurrency from Jamaica, it can be hard and it can be easy. This is definitely the easiest way to purchase cryptocurrency using Switchere and using an Exodus wallet to keep your cryptocurrency. Okay. And like I said, guys, do not store your cryptocurrency on Binance. There's another one called, I think it's cex.io. Do not keep your cryptocurrency on an exchange. Okay? That's a big no-no. That's a red flag. Don't do it. Yes, you can buy it on cex.io, but don't store it there. If you're going to buy it on any of these exchanges, send it to your Exodus wallet. Okay, because anything can happen and you lose all your cryptocurrency. So maybe you're wondering what's going to happen if your computer malfunctions. Would your cryptocurrency be lost? No. Once you have an account with Exodus, it doesn't matter what computer is on. Once you have the login, you will be able to access your cryptocurrency at any time. All right, guys. So that's basically it for this video. If you want to buy from Switchere, the link is in the description for this video, and I'm going to put the link for Exodus as well. And if you need help setting it up or whatever, just send me an email. I'll put my email in the description as well, and maybe I'll make a part 2 for this video if I realize people need some more help. But just feel free to reach out to me or whatever. All the links are in the description, but I'm not going to link to no Binance nor no cex.io. All right, Exodus and Switchere is basically all you need. All right, guys. So if you found this video informative, if you liked it, yeah, like it, share it, subscribe if you want to see more material like this. I'm going to do more cryptocurrency related tutorials in the future. All right, guys. So take care. See you next time from Market Keys.